It goes up to 720p. It has up to 60 FPS, 60 hertz, and it can work on any white wall or white screen. This box is about 2 boxes bigger. Yeah. It is an LED projector. Both of them are. Here's what it looks like. It has a handle. This box did not. Nope, did not have a handle. This one does. So for the extra money, you get a handle. It retails for about $210. If you add coupons, 10%, 20% off, or if you have a promotional code, it retails for around $169. We're going to move this one out of the way. It has a bigger resolution, 1080p, so it's going to need to expel more heat out the front. The other one had vents on, one vent on the bottom, a tiny one, and then 2 on the back. Wasn't too loud. This is made by Crenova, and it's the same on both sides, which is awesome if you're at a store. I could make my own movie theater. Oh my god. This one is the size of, I can't really show you, but it's the size of the original one's box. And the cap is actually attached to it. Look at this. Your dad would freak out over this. I know I just broke character, but he really would. It's got 2 HDMI on the back, 2 USBs, an IR for a remote, a power button, and the power. So here you go. There they are. This black thing right here is for the remote, so if you want to change movies, if you have a multi-DVD player, hit the next button, it'll skip to the next disc. Those are kind of rare. On the side, it has your AV for old video cameras, old VHS players. It's got, you know, the red, white, and yellow cable thing that you can plug into your TV. You can plug it directly into here and play it right through here. You don't need a TV at all. It also has the audio out if you have an external speaker, if you have surround sound, home theater set. That's what it would go through. Oh yeah, this one's got vents on the whole left side and the almost whole right side minus the thing, and on the front minus the inputs. And here are your buttons. You've got your go back, your power, your next, your back, your S, your M. Someone's getting BDSM up in here. Your OK button, your up and your down. So you got your selectors, your selections, whatever you call that. Don't laugh, because I don't remember what they're called right now. It's really hot, so I can barely think. Whew. Okay. I'm gonna open this up, and I assume this one has an HDMI cable, just like the last one. The power cable seems to be a lot longer. A bigger remote than the last one. And here's what I mentioned earlier. I'm glad they gave you the cable. It has the red, yellow, white, and yellow connector, so you can plug up your old VCR players if you want to watch VCR stuff, VHS movies, I mean. You got Crenova, contact us. You have 20% off. They have camping equipment and GoPro accessories and scuba diving masks. I might buy one of those for when we go to Splash Island next time. Grade optical tissue premium. And now let's go inside and test this thing out. Okay, YouTube, I've got this tested out. I'm ready to bring up some test shots for everything. What you're seeing now is my camera, my Sony FS100U. Right there. It's in live view right now, up on the Crenova projector on my black screen. I'm going to go to the pre-recorded stuff. As you can hear probably a little bit, that's the fan from the projector. It is bringing up everything. And that's going to play a pre-recorded clip. And this is playing at 1080. There we go. Looks just like a movie. Sounds like a movie too.